Hello people, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to restore your rusty old tools using electrolysis. Welcome back people. In today's video we're going to be restoring this old adjustable wrench. Now we're also going to be doing a wire cutter I think on the side, but our main focus is the wrench. So my granny found these in the field and she asked me if I'd restore them for her. Now, they're completely seized up, but I'm hoping the process of electrolysis will free them. So let's get to it. So to do this, there's a couple of things you're going to need. You're going to need a bucket that's big enough to submerge your tools in. You're going to need a random metal bar that you don't use or need for anything. Of course, you're going to need your rusty tools. And most importantly, you're going to need your battery charger, salt and water. And you will also need some wire to tie around your tools. To start off with, we'll put some salt into the bucket. Next, we'll fill it up with water. Now, I made a simple piece of wood to divide the metal bar from the tools. Yeah, you don't have to do this, but it helps. Now, there's our metal bar. I'll put it over here. And our two tools we'll put on the other side. And now let's wrap our two tools together. And put them into the water. Now I needed to add a bit more water because there wasn't enough in the bucket. Pop the wooden divider back into the bucket. And put the metal bar back in. So let's wire up the battery charger. So we're going to attach the positive to the metal bar. And we're going to attach the negative to this wire that we have sticking out. Keeping the alligator clip out of the water. Next, I taped the negative wire to the bucket because it kept falling into the water. And now let's plug it in. Right, I'd say that's finished now. So we'll plug it out before we do anything. Just putting down a small bit of newspaper on the table. And let's take these things out. Let's take the tools out. So now I'm just drying off these tools. So now I need to see if I can recover the lost pliers that I dropped earlier. Now let's get this nasty stuff off the workbench. The electrolysis process has freed up the wrench, so I'm going to take it apart. To remove the last of the rust, I'm going to use a wire brush. So when I'm finished with the wire brush, I'm going to take some primer and I'm going to spray the tools with it. On the other side. So I decided edge priming each side individually was taking too long, so I used the idea of the beam from the last video. Now I'm going to spray paint everything black. Now that the paint is dry, let's take everything down and reassemble the wrench. So, the adjustable wrench is now done, and it looks like brand new. And the wire cutters are looking pretty good as well. So this is how I go about restoring old rusty tools. I hope you found something helpful in this video. Thanks for watching.